Yo guys, yeah, it's Ricky right here. I'm so sorry for keeping you guys in the dark for a long time, but trust me, I'm back. I'm right here to show you how to play your favorite Afrobeat music on the guitar once again and steady on that flow. You get me? So today I'll be showing you guys how to play Sinner by Adekunle Gold. Very melodious song, and this song has been doing numbers. Quite simple to play. So let's head down now and learn it. So guys, the song is quite simple. The first thing you need to know about the song, it's sung on the key of E. Yeah, on the key of E. Yeah, sung on the key of E. And I'm going to break this in parts so we can get a full grasp of it, because the pattern at some point changed a little bit. So for the intro of the song, the chord progression was your A major, dun, 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 to your B major, dun, then your C sharp minor, dun, 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 dun. So your A major, which was the first chord, your A major, which is your fa chord, holding your A major is, as you can see on the screen, place your middle finger on the second fret of your third string, your ring finger on the second fret of your third string, and then your pinky finger on the second fret of your second string, and then you strum from your first string downward. Okay, and then your B major, quite tricky chord. You can hold it any way you find it convenient, but it's just bearing with your first finger, which is your index finger, from the fifth string down to your first string, and then your middle finger, which is your second finger, place the fourth fret of your fourth string, your ring finger plays the fourth fret of your third string, and your pinky finger plays the fourth fret of your second string, and then you strum from your fifth string downward. Yeah, just like that. Just like that. And then your C sharp minor is, as you can see on the screen, you place your index finger on the fourth fret of your fifth string, and then your ring finger will play the sixth fret of your fourth string, your pinky finger will play the sixth fret of your third string, and then your middle finger will be pressing rather the fifth fret of your second string. Remember, your index finger is bearing from the fifth down to your first string. Yeah, this is your La chord on the key of E, your C sharp minor. Okay, so your A major, your B major, your C sharp minor. And then another chord we will need to know is also F minor 7. Okay, so this is also quite tricky. So you'll be bending with your ring finger on the second fret, bend your fourth, third, and second string, as you can see on the screen, and then your second finger right here, let me shift a little bit, presses your sixth string, second fret, and then you're picking just your sixth, fourth, third, and second string. You could just pick it, yeah, and then your G sharp minor 7 is just taking it 2 steps forward. On the screen. Yeah, so showing you how it's being played. So first your A major, dun, 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 don't mind my voice as usual, dun, dun, B major, sorry, let me go there again. So playing it, right, dun, 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 your A major to your B major, dun, 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 then your C sharp minor, like that, dun, 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 dun. Now this second part, da, 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 da. Then your B major to your La, okay? So your Fa, da, 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 Ra, Fa, da, 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 La, So rather, La, So, then your Fa, da, 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 then da, 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 da. Okay, you're going to see it on the screen. If you get it, you're missing that. Always always remember, you can always backward this video so you can, you know, watch and really understand. So the intro again. Da, 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 da. Okay, so that's for the intro. Now for the verse, goes A major, yeah, B major, same pattern. Now that second pattern is going twice. Okay, let's go. A major, as you can see on the screen, B major, C sharp minor, B major. Next one, A major, B major. Now B major, C sharp minor, then A major, B major, twice. So that's it. Then go back to the first pattern. Yeah, and then it goes also for the chorus. So yeah, the intro pattern is still the same thing as the interlude. So when it goes back at the moment of the song, when it does that, da 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 da, so it just goes back to the same thing again. There's going to be a link. There's a link below. You know, you could just click it and download the PDF file of how the chord progression goes on the song. Okay, just to help you and make this lesson much more easier for you all. So that's it. Very simple, quite easy. Don't always forget, you can always backward this video and learn and, you know, understand it fully well. So showing you guys the chord progression, or the strumming pattern rather. I already showed you the chord progression. So showing you guys the strumming pattern right now. Yeah, so the strumming pattern you could use, you could play this way. So when you're on your A, down, down, up, down, down, down. Go to your B major, down, up, and then you're down on your C major, C sharp minor, then down on your B major. Okay, so it goes again, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down. So that's it. Then down, up, down, 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 up, down. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, claim the turn on notification button so that you can always be the first person to see my new video and learn more.